The moment they open their box, they shut it if it doesn't look yum and appealing. I find it like a big struggle to make it look yum but have that nutritional value. And it's so challenging to figure out what to fill and what to give them in their box. Hi Maya, thank you so much for agreeing to fill this yum box with me. I was just telling Anushka also that I just find it so challenging to figure out what to fill and what to give them in their box. And I know that your son is really young right now, but wait for it. As they grow older, the moment they open their box, they shut it if it doesn't look yum and appealing. So I just find it really, I find it like a big struggle to make it look yum but have that nutritional value.
Right.
And of course the prep that goes behind it. Only mothers know what this drama is.
Yeah.
So
it's a struggle for sure,
right?
But you know what I find really works? I have to offer a variety of different things.
Yeah.
So when I'm preparing a snack box, I like to have several different options for him to choose from, and the more colorful it is, the different textures.
Yeah.
I think that's more tempting and fun for him.
Yeah, you're right. Also it exposes them to a lot more foods.
Yeah.
You don't have to give them like a lot of everything, just 2-3 things, but like it just
Exactly.
the variety excites them also. You're
For
right.
sure.
But you've got a lot of stuff here today,
Yes.
and I'm excited to fill this box with you. And I think I can eat all of this.
I know, me too. This
Right?
is my typical snack.
Right?
Yeah. So I love how the box has different sections, kind of gives you prompts as to what you need to fill the box with. You have protein, grains, veggies, fruit, and dairy. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start by filling the veggie section with some cucumbers and carrots, and then some cheese for protein. Now this cheese is unprocessed Kodai cheese. Protein, calcium. I'm filling his favorite blueberries in the fruit section. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and also so yummy. And in the grain section, I'm filling in some mini baby idlis. Now these are made with carrots and beetroot. In the dairy section, I'm filling in some homemade hung curd or Greek yogurt. Again, very rich in calcium and protein. I am adding in some homemade hummus so he can dip the carrots and cucumbers in. Hummus is a great plant-based protein.
Oh my god, this looks so good, Maya.
It's well balanced as well.
Yeah, it actually is very, very well balanced. And what I'm going to try is these colorful mini idlis. I don't know why I've never tried this. This actually looks so interesting and intrigued, right? Like they'd be like, oh, why is the idli like orange?
It's fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun. And of course, I love this idea of giving the hummus and the hung curd, and we have all of this so easily available at home. It's just a matter of kind of putting it all together.
It's all the prep work
right?
Also that goes into it.
But so tell me, how do you do this? You plan it a week in advance, or what do you do?
So I usually create a schedule for the week, and plan meals ahead of time.
Yeah.
And then of course go ahead and get all the ingredients that are required.
So I plan breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But I don't really plan the snack box, which I think that is where I'm going wrong. I think one needs to plan the snack box as well,
right,
so that you can achieve this for the kids, because this looks so nice. And of course, this box is also absolutely phenomenal. I love how you can give a little of so many things to them so that they feel excited when they open their box,
Exactly. So it's not boring. You're offering small quantities but a variety.
Yeah.
And look, you don't have to, go out and buy all of these things. You can literally just see what's in your fridge and make it work.
Yeah. So we're going to take the recipe of the idlis and the hummus from you, and we're going to link it in our comment section. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and also follow us for many more such tips and tricks.